Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing accounts and connectivity. Sign into your Google account on your Samsung, then install Google Family Link for parents. On the child's device, install the child app. Once done, open Family Link and tap Create or Link a Child account. Follow prompts to add the child's Google account or create one. Make sure Bluetooth and Wi-Fi stay on during setup because the apps exchange codes. This gives you the management channel to enforce limits and monitor activity from your own phone. Next, you apply the controls that matter. In Family Link, choose your child, then set a daily screen time limit and a bedtime schedule. This stops device use at chosen hours. Tap App Activity to set per app limits and require approval for new installs. This prevents surprise downloads. For web and content, enable Google Safe Search and restrict Play Store by age rating. Make sure to review permissions after each change, because app updates can reset access and override older settings. Finish by verifying everything actually works on the child's phone. Test pausing the device, try opening a blocked app, and confirm bedtime mode locks the screen. If you prefer simpler controls for young kids, enable Samsung Kids from Quick Panel as an alternative. This creates a contained environment with fewer permissions. If controls don't apply, restart both phones, ensure Family Link is updated, and re-authenticate the child account. This usually fixes sync problems. Keep one key.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.